My name is Scott Williamson, and I'm Chief Commercial Officer for ValuD Consulting. And our company in general is focused on implementing IBM Tririga and Maximo, and we're gradually moving into the IoT space. We very much share the vision that IBM has for IoT. We see the power of the technology, and as we looked at that, we decided that the best way to position our company was to be the best we could at the underlying technologies that capture the data and facilitate the processes that would tie into IoT.
ValuD is the premier implementation partner at IBM for IBM Tririga, and we also implement IBM Maximo. And in the last year and a half, we're focusing on IBM's IoT ecosystem, and we have a product that we provide called Motors at Work.
You know, you hear with IBM and with other technology innovators out there that there's data all throughout our environments, right? So as we walk through a hall in a hotel, or as we go from meeting to meeting at our corporate office, or as we're on a plane flying from Houston to Dallas, or whatever it is we're doing, there's data that's being generated by devices, by things. And right now, for the most part, companies aren't taking advantage of all that data that's out there. So with something like Motors at Work, and with the IoT technologies that IBM has, and with the core asset management application like Maximo, what you see is now a company can tap into all of that data. And the data is good, but what's more important is, can you do something with that data? And so what Motors at Work does, and what it allows us to do with our clients, is give them the ability to put predefined analyses against that data and drive some sort of operational efficiency or drive some sort of revenue advantage. What that's done for ValuD is that it's allowed us to go out and not only differentiate in the market, but in the case of Motors at Work, we brought on a half dozen new clients in a sector that we would just not be in.
So we had a product in place, and we really just kind of took it step by step. So we had the benefit of a lot of great documentation and advice from IBM, the Blue Mix recipes. So we did a series of prototypes. We initially started with just developing a two-way interface with IBM Maximo, and once we proved that out, we did an additional integration to make sure that we could leverage the power of the IBM Watson IoT platform, be able to commission devices to use with our system. From there, we got a little more complex, and we actually have done a full embed where within IBM Maximo, a user can get the full Motors at Work experience without having to go outside to our application. IBM has such a broad base of solutions and tool sets, so our solution is really focused on asset management. And one of the things we wanted to do was to leverage the power that IBM Maximo provides to its thousands of customers, but also provide unique content that those existing customers don't currently have access to. And it was important that we be able to provide a solution that had a very small footprint, that was easily accessible by clients, and ultimately provides value to the business.